They call it the future of Ferrari. And it begins with the 2021 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. One look and you realize this isn't just a car. It's a statement of dominance. The front is sculpted like a blade, with razor-sharp LED eyes that slice through the air. Every line, every contour is designed for precision. The hood flows down with intent, the air intakes breathe aggression, and the stance, wide, low, and unshakably confident, screams performance. Those forged alloy wheels hug the asphalt, giving the SF90 its predator's poise. The paint gleams like liquid fire, reflecting every curve and shadow as if the car itself were alive. From the piercing nose to the perfectly chiseled rear, it's not just aerodynamics, it's poetry in motion written in carbon and speed. Step inside and you're no longer in a car. You're in the cockpit of the future. The cabin is an orchestra of technology and craftsmanship. Carbon fiber meets soft Italian leather in a layout that feels built around you. The seats, sculpted, firm yet unbelievably refined, hold you like a racer's embrace. Ahead, the curved digital display comes to life, vibrant, detailed, and immersive, giving you complete control over this hybrid beast. The steering wheel is Ferrari's signature masterpiece, loaded with every essential. The red start button glowing like a heartbeat, drive modes at your fingertips, and paddle shifters that whisper promises of speed. Every touch, every click, every movement feels like a conversation between man and machine. And then, that moment. Ignition. The silence of the electric motors fades into the growl of a twin-turbo V8. Together, they unleash 986 horsepower of controlled chaos. The acceleration is instant. No hesitation, no lag, just pure thrust. It's not just fast, it's electrifying. The SF90 doesn't simply move, it erupts, bending physics to its will while wrapping you in absolute control. The 2021 Ferrari SF90 Stradale isn't chasing the future, it is the future. A masterpiece where performance meets innovation and emotion meets electricity. This isn't evolution, it's revolution. The purest Ferrari spirit, reborn and electrified for a new era.